Hello guys, welcome to Always a Learner. We believe in good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So guys, welcome to the fresh and new episode of Tech Intimation. We are here with some latest tech news, so let's get started. So guys, the first update that we have is from LG. LG K62 and K52 is now officially launched, where K62 features a 6.6 inches HD plus full vision display, 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage and 4000 mAh battery. LG K52 features 6.6 inches HD plus full vision display and 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage and 4000 mAh battery. Along with display sizes and battery, both the phone have a same 48 megapixel quad rear setup. Prices are not yet revealed, but both the phone will go on sale next month. Next update that we have is about Google and Fitbit deal. European Union antitrust regulators have extended their investigation into Alphabet unit Google and fitness tracker maker Fitbit to December 23. Google has said the combination of its and Fitbit's hardware would boost competition in the sector, where players include Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Huawei and others. Google announced its decision to buy Fitbit in November 2019 for $2.1 billion. Privacy, social justice and consumer groups have called on authorities to block the deal, citing privacy and antitrust concerns. Australia's competition watchdog is also examining the deal. At number 3, we have updates from Instagram. Instagram's latest version will now allow users to make 30-second reel videos instead of just 15-second videos. Along with this, Instagram will also let users to delete and trim the clips. Now, timer can also be extended up to 10 seconds while recording the videos. The updates seem to be aimed at making process of recording and uploading the reel smoother. Instagram is expected to roll out these features to all users very soon. Listing further, we have news about Google Pixel 4a 5G. Google Pixel 4a 5G specifications are surfaced online just days ahead of virtual event taking place on September 30. The phone will be powered with Snapdragon 765G processor, the same as rumored for Pixel 5. The Pixel 4a 5G is also expected to have a dual rear setup with 12.2 megapixel sensor as rumored for Pixel 5. Pixel 4a 5G is expected to be similar to the Pixel 5 in many aspects, but the rumors about the batteries makes a difference between both the phones. The Pixel 4a 5G is expected with a 3885 mAh battery, whereas Pixel 5 is expected with a 4080 mAh battery. Let's see what actually phone carries along with them and at what price they will be unveiled to the world. Well, how many of you are excited for these devices? Comment below in the comment section. Fifth update that we have is from WhatsApp. WhatsApp beta version from Android brings a new update. The new beta version brings a dedicated catalog shortcut in business chat. WhatsApp video call and voice call button is now merged into a single call button, tapping on which will provide you two options, whether you want to call on voice or a video call. It is specifically meant for business that offer catalogs on WhatsApp. WhatsApp spotted on working on the catalog button earlier this month. Next update that we have is from Oppo. Oppo took to Weibo to tease the Oppo Watch ECG, a new version that looks set to land in China. The original Oppo Watch was widely reported to include ECG, but the feature didn't make it in a final version. The event is set to be today. Chinese version of the watch will feature Color OS, and global version of the watch is expected with Google's Wear OS. Let's see when the watch arrives outside China and at what price. At number 7, we have news about HP's AIO PCs. HP launched All-in-One 24 and Pavilion 27 All-in-One PCs to India. AIO 24 features an IPS display and is powered with 10th generation Intel Core i5 processor paired with Nvidia's GeForce MX330 graphics card. HP Pavilion 27 features 3-sided micro SD display which supports touch inputs. Under the hood, HP Pavilion 27 features 10th Gen Intel Core i7 processor paired with NVIDIA GeForce GTX graphics. Both the PCs are featuring pop-up wide vision infrared webcam. The HP AIO24 is priced at 64,999 rupees and HP Pavilion 27 is priced at 99,999. Next news that we have is about Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Samsung finally unveiled Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, a toned-down version of Samsung Galaxy S20 flagship. The phone features a 120Hz refresh rate display and octa-core Exynos 990 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The 5G option of the phone is powered with Snapdragon 865 processor. The phone is specially made for every fan. The phone comes in wide range of colors such as cloud red, cloud mid, cloud orange, cloud white, cloud lavender and cloud navy. The price of the phone is starting at $699 for 5G model and the price for the 4G model is yet to reveal. So the last update that we have is again from Samsung. Samsung teased a mid-range series for India, Samsung Galaxy F, few weeks ago. The series is said to be a camera-centric series. The first phone will be Samsung Galaxy F41, which is set to launch in India on October 8 at 5:30 p.m. The phone will have an Infinity U display, 6000 mAh battery and a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. Let's see what will be the official specifications of the phone and what will be the price. Comment below if you're really excited for this device. So guys, that's all for today. We hope you really enjoyed the video. Please like this video and share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe our channel for more such videos and press the bell icon to get notified for the new one. Your support is incredible. Please comment your views in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Never forget to smile.